Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using just the passcode and the meeting ID. All right. So right here, as you can see, I am on my Teams application. Okay. And then on my web browser, I have here my other account. So we have here the meeting ID and the passcode. So if you're going to join a meeting, you have to ask the host to send you the meeting ID and the passcode, and then you just have to input that on this section. All right, so just simply click on this join with the meeting ID and then type it right here the meeting ID as well as the meeting passcode. So we are going to do that. So just going to copy this meeting ID right here. Okay, so just going to click on it and then Control C. Then go back here and then you just have to paste here the meeting ID. Then after that, now ask for the passcode. So this is the passcode. So we're just going to copy this one as well. So go back here and then paste here your passcode. Okay, and then after that, just simply click on the join meeting option and then click on join now. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.